Do you have a goal? These 3 tricks will help you to achieve it. Number 1, create a crystal clear image of you already living the reality of the person who has the goal in your mind, and then start moving towards it. 2, what are the big 5 moves that you gotta take to get from where you are to becoming the person that you need to be to achieve that goal? Number 3, and this is the most simple, take on the mantra, do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Every time that you doubt, maybe I should do this in a bit, maybe I should do this tomorrow, do it now. Act upon your ideas, act upon your inspiration, and act upon your goals. That's that. Simple as that. Thank you for listening. Namaste.